Hi, Mike Stein from the Center for Teaching Excellence. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add branching to a Google form so that your respondent will go to a section based on the answer to a multiple choice question. First, we need to add a multiple choice question. In this case, I'll add a question right at the top of the survey. To do this, I'll click on the top of the survey and then click Add Question to add a question below. Now type in the question. You can see that Google Forms changed my question type to a paragraph. So we need to change this back to multiple choice. Click Paragraph, and then select multiple choice from the list. Now add some options. For this example, I'll just create 2 options. However, you can create as many options as you'd like. Now we need to enable branching. To do this, click on the 3 dots at the bottom right of the question and select Go to Section based on answer. Before we assign sections, let's create one section below this so that we can create a section for yourself, and we've already created a section about your family. To add another section, click the Add Section button from the right sidebar menu. Click in the Untitled Section title and type in a title for this section. Now that we've added a section, let's go back to the original question and assign sections to go to based on the answer. Click on the question, then click the Section drop-down menu next to the first option. In this case, this should go to the Section 2, About You, since the option is Yourself. For the second option, it's About Your Family, so click on the drop-down menu and select About Your Family, which is Section 3. Now let's preview the form to see what we did. Click on the eyeball at the top of the screen to preview the form. If we click Next, we should go directly to the next section. However, if we select Your Family, we should jump to the 3rd section instead of the section About You. If we click Next, we can see that we jumped to the 3rd section of the form. We can go back and select the other option, which is Yourself, and see if it's working correctly by clicking Next. And we can see that it took us to the About You section. Close the tab to return to editing the survey. You have now successfully added branching to a Google form.